Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to snowy, cold Ireland. So it's actually not too bad at my home place, but where my house is, it's extremely bad. But that tow rag, what a tool in the snow. I had to bring my good wife to work this morning because like her car just wouldn't be able to make it, and that Jeep is absolutely unbelievable, ploughing road over. Right, so I've got the arms and I've got the hubs. Chris Brady dropped them off to my wife and she brought them back to me, so what a team effort. Thanks very much to Chris. So we have the arms and the hubs, so this episode is try and build this car back up again, put everything back together. I need to get front calipers on, need to bleed brakes, bleed clutch, do all that sort of stuff. So I'm hoping that we should be able to get this car on the trailer at the end of this episode and get it to Dooley Fabrication. Yeah, another hectic one. It's cold, but it's hectic. So first things first, get Abbie out of bed and let's get to work. So we got the arms, E36 extended arms from Sean Watt. Look at the strength of them, boys. Definitely will not bend them. So I got the arms, and Sean has modified the arm to fit the E46 lollipop. So that's what we'll be running. Just didn't have time to get to the E36 lollipops, things like that. So look, we're just going to use the standard E46 ones for now. Okay, get these fitted. And I didn't get the E90 tie rods, so I'm hoping I will have enough length in the tie rods I have. I might put on some spacers in here. Basically the old trick, a couple of €2 coins. €4 this side, €4 the other side. That'll bring me out another little bit, and hopefully then I'll have enough to bring me out to my hubs here. So yeah, it's extremely cold in the shed, and look at the colour of this. Absolutely unreal. Savage. Right, let's get this all put back together and get this thing rolling again. So that's Sean Watt's arms, aka Watt Fab, fitted. Savage fit. So any E46 owners, if you're looking for extra kit, very reasonably priced compared to like the high-end lock kits, and does just as good a job. So yeah, the extended E36 arm, and Sean has modified the hub as well. And as I said in the last clip about putting in the €2, didn't even have to. Sean actually had spacers made as well, so full kit, unbelievable. So I just need to get the hub on now, and get the hub on, and then put the discs and calipers and put all back on, get it all plumbed up, and yeah, quite simple to fit. Okay, so that's Abbie's disc back on and her pink calipers, and I've no tie rods in yet, but if that was the lock on the car, it would be crazy, but obviously it won't be just that much. It won't be far off, I'd say. So I'm just going to get the track rod back on, put in Sean Watt's rack spacers. But yeah, job's a good one. Abbie's busy putting the car back together.
Yeah. Out of the fridge.
So,
Colour's cool.
savage, isn't it?
Yeah, love it.
Exactly what you wanted, and it goes well with the pink too.
It does, yeah. Yeah, it's just perfect now.
Fair play to James. James is all delighted with his respray. Camera shy today.
You're on YouTube.
Right, okay, get the tie rods in here. This side done, and then we'll go on to the next side. Okay, so we got Dean Martin's 50mm spacers on the rear. This thing is wide. Crazy wide. So, got the rear on. Over fenders are going to work.
It's very wide.
Also the front as well. Yeah, it's extremely wide. So I hope it'll fit the trailer. It showed my car's wide, so
Yeah, it is.
looks the job. So this side is all done now. We go to the other side. Then we get it back down. Actually I have to bleed the brakes as well, and clutch and stuff, so we better do that.
Yeah.
I think we just put the wheels on this side just to see what it looks like.
The black wheels are good.
You're happy with the black wheels? Yeah, your black wheels and your pink calipers. Bit of rubbing going on there, but that's only minor. Okay, go to the next side and get watt fab fitted on the other side. We have smiles, so it's not too bad. Okay, back to work. Driver's side back on, so I just have to put on my track rods and tie rods and all that. I've done the other side, and what I realised was Sean Watt sent me 2 spacers, and what did I do? I put the 2 spacers on the one side, so I need to take that off. I thought it was a bit much, but anyhow, just whip off that and get another spacer, take off one spacer and put it back on this side. And yeah, brake line's all on. Looks a little bit stretched there, so I just need to monitor that when we're on full lock, see what we're going like. Might just have to pull that out of that and maybe cable tie it somewhere. We'll see how it goes. You're cold after your coffee break now, aren't you?
Yeah. Get back into it.
Alright, okay, what are you doing?
Are you bleeding these?
Nah, not yet. I want to put on the tie rods and stuff like that, and then we can bleed up the brakes then, and hopefully have no leaks. And the clutch. And once we get that done, the battery actually, you might get your battery and put it on charging.
Yeah. What the hell do we do with these?
You just have to be rough with them. Yes, now give it.
They won't stick in it.
I think, do you know what? Take it off. Inflate. You see them little green lads?
Yeah.
Take them off. I know they can be very hard, just take them off. They usually sit in the holes here. So they do, like that one there, that's gone. Get the knife or something and just take them off it. The ones, hopefully they'll click in. Colour looks unbelievable. All done in around the doors. Looks the right job. Mint. Bit of a mess inside, but we need to get all the rubbers and stuff all back on. We need to get Abbie's seats sorted, and we need to get the harnesses. You have harnesses?
They're in the fridge.
Chilling.
Yeah.
So Abbie, you have another seat and harness coming for the passenger side, and yeah, it's coming together now.
Finally. Only a year later.
Yeah, but we're doing it right this time. Okay. Get my tie rods, get this back on, take off the spacer off this side. That I shouldn't have done, but anyhow, I'll take that off now. Cross miles. Okay, so we're getting there. We have the brakes blade, handbrake blade, everything's working.
Clutch, we're having a bit of problems.
Clutch, we're having a bit of problems. So, story is, when we were building the car, I'd left the slave cylinder connected and we had engine out, and then Abbie got into the car one evening and decided to press the clutch and it shot the piston clean out of the slave cylinder. So that was goosed. I had another spare one. It's actually a spare one for my M3. It's a ZF box, I think. It is ZF box in my M3. So I tried that slave cylinder in it, but I don't think the pin has enough throw on it to engage the clutch. That's what I'm hoping. So I have a spare slave cylinder. It's with Gary Short, so I rang Gary Short there, and Gary Short is going to bring it up to us. I'm hoping there's a difference in the ZF and the Get Rag box. Please God, because yeah, we don't have any clutch. It just doesn't have enough throw on it to engage the clutch. So we're hoping that's the problem. What else, Abbie? Wheel spacers on. Yeah. We've got all the wheels on.
Just
so
get it out of the shed now.
we just need that clutch to work to get it out of the shed. We need to fit the bonnet. Your boot is all done.
And then when this is gone, paint the last few bits.
Yeah. So look, brakes is working, hydro's working. That's great. So Neil's hydro absolutely perfect, 100%. And you need to thank Memergy
Yeah, I got a Bmw with 6 new tyres, brand new.
Remember, she sponsored all 6 new tyres for Abbie, so yeah, we've got all brand new tyres, and oh, it's a busy Saturday, and we need to get this trailer on, get the car on the trailer this evening. So I think we might fit the bonnet next, get a bit of help, fit the bonnet next, and just cable tie up some wires and stuff like that, just to get up to Dooley Fabrication on the front. And yeah, it's all happening.
Yeah.
Whew, what a hectic day, but check this out. You happy?
Delighted.
That was some rush to get here. So we're here in Dooley Fabrication, and Dooley Fabrication are going to do the very best and do a full stainless exhaust system for you.
Yeah.
So less than 1 week to go. This next week we'll be in Derry for Eglinton. So you're happy with the colour?
Oh, delighted. I love it.
It's all come together now. So yeah, the car's going to be with Mark and Dooley Fabrication for the next couple of days, and then we get back home and we need to start piecing that all back together.
Yeah.
There's all a bit of a rush today, but everything works. Clutch, brakes, hydro, all's 100%.
Yeah. Thank God.
Very good. Yeah, we have some fixing up to do. Yeah, that was a bit of a hectic day. We didn't really get much time for videos. Short enough episode, but
This is the car.
we're nearly there. That's it for this episode. I'm absolutely destroyed in brake fluid and everything from bleeding brakes and stuff today. But yeah, it was a massive rush, but the car's done. Abbie's happy. That's it. So we are done for today. We're going to leave it in the capable hands of Mark at Dooley Fabrication. They're going to do the full stainless on it. And hopefully we'll have the car back Thursday and put the final touches to it. Thanks very much for watching. Give a comment, see what you think of Abbie's new car. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And the next time you'll see it, the car will be completely done.
Yeah.
See you on the next one.
See ya.